again, I hope you're all doing well. What we're going to cover this week is something I've really been anticipating covering. Fantastic recipe from the Ottolenghi Flavour Cookbook, and it's going to be the Aubergine Dumplings Alla Parmigiana, which is absolutely amazing. Really good way of doing a vegetarian meatballs. Absolutely flavoursome, and that's what this book is all about. Flavour. So for this recipe we need 2 aubergines, or what the Americans call eggplant, basil, parsley, garlic, palm sugar, chilli powder and also chilli flakes, paprika, oregano, some tomato paste, sourdough, which is the rye and wheat dark sourdough. Right, so let's crack on.
Bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here.
Alexa, set the timer for 12 minutes.
12 minutes, starting now.
From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Alexa, set the timer for 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
Take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be outdoors, forever free.
Now let this sit here for at least 20 minutes until cool.
Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go, take a step back, see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell.
Wow, absolutely wonderful. So all we've got to do now is add our final toppings. So we're going to sprinkle the black olives, sprinkle these roughly over the top. And the final sprinkling of parmesan cheese. And then finally the basil that we didn't chop up too finely. This is actually just to garnish the top. And here we have it, the Aubergine Dumplings Alla Parmigiana, which is an absolutely fantastic dish. My wife has given this 10 out of 10 and it's absolutely superb. So really hope you enjoyed this show. Please do not forget to subscribe. A lot of love and passion going into this show. Almost make sure you put on your notifications. I'm now releasing videos every fortnight on Tuesdays at 4 p.m. So be there, be square. Please also check out my other playlists where I've got lots of other vegetarian and vegan dishes. Enjoy.